Hey guys, so this is my very late lunch. I might do a mukbang. I think I'm going to look at that. This beef soup. I think it's beef oxtail soup. Look at that, all the potatoes. And I'm eating that with rice. So delicious. I'm so hungry, and we also have some dessert. This is basically like a local donut. We call it kuikuria, and some fried bananas. Different kinds of variety of bananas. Yummy. Hi guys. So I already showed you the soup, so this is what I'm gonna eat. How's the lighting? Just okay. I think that's alright. Okay guys, let's start. Beef soup. Delicious. I think you've seen this already. Oh, I'm gonna eat all of that. With potatoes. With potatoes. It's hot, I think. So delicious. The lighting though, maybe I should change. Showing it here. Oh. How's that? How's that, guys? Sorry, I keep moving you guys around. Ooh, look at the fat on that. Carrots. There's some spices there. Just get it in this tissue. Carrot. I'm eating alone because we never really eat together. Because each of us eats at different times. I gotta get new glasses, guys. I've been using this for like 5 years now. It's getting crooked. So delicious with rice. So hot. Oh, I forgot to put some more wait. Hey guys, I added in more spring onions and parsley, I think, Chinese parsley. So, because yeah, it seems a bit, see, there's more green in the soup. It seems like too empty. I love the greens. So good. Potatoes. It's a sunny day outside. So delicious. I am sort of a soupy kind of person. I love this kind of soup, Asian soup. My mom doesn't like though. She's not really a fan of noodles or like soupy stuff. She likes soup like creamy soup, you know, like Western kind of soup. This is totally I'm in love. Mm. Oh, look at that fat on there. Oh. Oh no, I didn't take much potatoes. I should put more potatoes.
Banyak dia. Makan kuih.
Huh?
Banyak lagi tu.
Sour.
Banyak lagi. Ha?
Mm. I'm sweating a bit because it's hot. You guys like soup? What? Even though my favorite food is sushi, but I still love soup as well. Like a Chinese kind of soup or something. Better watch out for the spices though, because it's bitter and everything. It's like stew, isn't it? But stew, or like it has more like gravy or something, right? So delicious. So delicious, especially when I'm so hungry. I didn't have breakfast. And let's, oh sorry, let's try another angle. Moving around. The fan is not exactly in my face, so it's not that windy. That's the bone. Oh, sorry. Ooh. I hope it's not gonna rain because I have my clothes dried outside. See, my glasses are crooked a bit. Mm. 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 What is that? Oh my god. So delicious. I have to finish this. Oh my god, guys. So delicious. Okay, guys. See? All finished. Clean. Spotless. So now, gonna eat this. Can you see the food? Okay. Dessert, I guess. Bananas. Mmm. I feel like taking a picture. I just took a picture. So, I don't know what is the difference between this one and this one. But both taste the same. This one has some, is a bit more like brownish. It's small. I guess it's just the type of bananas. It's so delicious. Crispy. It's quite a lot. This is not bad as well, but I like this one better. But somehow there's a taste in the middle. in the middle of it, there's some kind of a bitter taste. Yeah, cooked. Oops. How are you guys doing today? Happy weekend. So, let's try this. This is the, we call it Quakeria. It's basically made of sweet potato. So it's like your local donut or something. See? Sweet. Soft. And it's covered in icing. So all of this is icing. Yeah. I think it's a lot. I'll just finish. I don't know which one to finish. I'm sorry, guys. I'll finish. Can bring this upstairs to my room and eat it a bit later. I'll just combine all the videos. So I think that's all, guys. Okay, that's all. Just a little short mukbang of my beef soup and fried bananas. Local queen. Local Malaysian queen. Okay, guys. You can hear baby crying. It's my niece. I guess that's all, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. I'm almost up to 600 subscribers. Yay! Thank you so much for just supporting, and yeah. just thank you for being interested. I just love to share you the kind of foods that we eat and, you know, whatever. Anything that I love to do. God, I really, really need a vlogging camera, a proper one. I'm kind of interested in this one camera. I think it's already out in the stores like since 6 months ago, but I only knew about it now. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I don't know, we'll see. So, okay guys. Bye. Till next time. Terima kasih.